Welcome to the WP FOFT Loader Tutorial Series Episode 2. Today we'll be using the Font Squirrel Web Font Generator to generate web fonts to upload using the plugin. Go to fontsquirrel.com and click on the Generator link. Once you're there, select Expert. WOFF and WOFF2 should be selected by default, but if they're not, go ahead and select them and deselect the other font formats. Choose Keep Existing for the troop type hinting, deselect Fix Gas Table, select No Adjustment on Vertical Metrics. Deselect Fix Mixing Glyphs, hyphen, and spaces, and make sure your X height matching is set to none. For protection, click Web Only if you're using a commercial font that has a Web Only license. Otherwise, leave that unchecked. Subsetting should be Western subsetting for most people, but it may vary depending on your needs. Keep the existing OpenType features. Don't select any of the OpenType flattening options. Leave all of the CSS settings at their defaults. Ensure that the font name suffix is -webfont and leave the other two advanced options at their defaults. Click Remember My Settings. Check Yes, the fonts I'm uploading are legally eligible for web embedding. Upload your fonts. We'll be uploading 4 fonts today. These are TrueType fonts, but when you have the choice, use OpenType fonts so you can take advantage of the extra typographical feature. Depending on how many fonts you upload, it may take a while for the generator to crunch all of the fonts and prepare them for download. The generator limits the number of fonts you can upload at one time to a dozen, so you definitely want to keep it under that number. The fonts will download as a zip archive. Depending on whether you did a single font or numerous fonts, you may have different packages inside the zip archive. Open the package and delete everything that is not a WOFF or a WOFF2 file. You may find it useful to rearrange the files by type before you start deleting. Now you're left with just the WOFF and the WOFF2 files. Rename the files according to the plugin naming conventions. Family names can be mixed case and can contain underscores, but should not have spaces or hyphens in them. Weight and style names should be in camel case and should be separated from the family names by a hyphen. Follow the weight and style name by another hyphen and the suffix web font. In part 3, we'll show you how to upload your files. See you next time.